Good morning, Chris at Ujoint. Should be a quick video, simple build on this 2010 E350 V10 extended body wagon. Pretty rare to find these vans anymore. It's got our 6-inch lift, stage 2 front axle, 410 gears, 35-inch Toyo AT2s on some KMC wheels. I think these are the RG2 wheels. Did a reservoir Fox 2.0 up front, just a regular single Fox 2.0 in the rear, progressive springs all the way around. What else we did? The flares, converted the 5R110 to 4-wheel drive in the van, 271 behind that, 1350 CV shafts front and rear. It's got our overload airbags. Sorry, the van's dirty. It's been raining and we've been test driving it in the rain. 410 gears out back. Like I said, pretty standard build. I think the customer has plans to do some more additions later, but for now, they've got functional 4-wheel drive for the winter. Thanks for watching. Ujointoffroad.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook if you don't already. Hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. Thanks for all the support. Getting a lot more feedback on YouTube lately, and it's cool. And have a great day. See you. Bye.